Welcome to this special edition of Woking TV. We're here at the magical Christmas light switch on event at Woking Shopping, and we've got a great show for you today, packed full of entertainment from here in Jubilee Square and on the main stage, including switch on favourites, Brookwood Primary School Choir, West Byfleet Infant and Junior School, Flipside Dance, the Woking High School Band and Summer Scales Dance.
We've also got children's TV favourites, the Octonauts, and CBeebies' very own Mr. Bloom. But that's not all.
We'll also have star of this year's New Victoria Theatre pantomime, Warwick Davis, plus loads of fantastic Christmas characters in and around the mall, ready to raise the Christmas spirit.
Merry Christmas in Greenland!
We're gonna make it snow for you! Merry Christmas!
We're at Woking. It's Thursday evening. They're putting the lights on in about half an hour and we're having a ball. The kids are loving it.
I love the Octonauts! Town Centre, and we're really looking forward to watching the lights being turned on, the big tree, and hopefully we'll see Warwick Davis too.
That's all we've got time for on this special Christmas edition of Woking TV. We've had a great time and we hope you have too.
Thanks so much for tuning in to this special episode. Don't forget to share the video and subscribe to our channel. Merry Christmas and we'll see you soon.